Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming available space and minimizing interruptions. Open Apple menu, choose about this Mac, then storage to see what's filling your disk. Once done, quit resource-hungry apps and plug into Power. Launch Finder and System Settings so you can remove large files and adjust settings. Make sure to enable viewing of hidden files when needed. You'll act quickly and intentionally. Identify big folders, gather recent downloads, and prepare to delete, move, or archive items right away. You target the biggest space hogs next. In Finder, run a size search for files over 100 MB and sort by size. Select and delete or move to external storage. Uninstall unused apps from applications, then remove residual support files in ~library/application support and ~library/caches. Once done, review downloads and delete installers you no longer need. Also check Finder or System Settings for old iOS backups and remove ones you finalize cleanup by emptying trash and restarting your Mac so the system can free caches and temp files. Then open Storage Management to enable optimized storage and empty trash automatically for future maintenance. If you still don't see reclaimed space, run Disk Utility First Aid to repair the drive and scan for duplicates with a trusted tool. If an app's cache regrows quickly, sign out of that app, clear its cache manually, and monitor storage. That troubleshooting step often reveals hidden syncing or backup issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.